Today we are going to discuss about the merge conflicts. Why merge conflicts occur and how to resolve merge conflicts. Before getting to that, GitHub is Git is a popular open source version control tool. While Git is a great option for the developer, it becomes troublesome when teams are trying to collaborate and work on the same files. Actually, when the developer is ready to submit his and her changes, that person may discover other conflict is changes to the same set of code have already been committed or pushed to the same branch in the meanwhile. So we will see that in the real time how it is working. So here I have one Python program, small Python program. You can see that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2.8 and z is equal to 1j. So we are going to print which type of the things, just for code purpose I am taking. Now I am going to the my GitHub. So you can see here my GitHub, I log in. Okay, so just I'm creating from the beginning so that how the merge conflict you can create. Actually in this video I'm making within a place, I'm creating, means within that I'm not cloning, I'm just creating the branch. Then I'm creating, instead of one branch, I'm creating a two branch. After creating a two branch, when both the branch I want to make it as a pull request, how it is creating the conflict merge. So you can see that you have an overview, repository, project, package and stars. So from the beginning, when you want to do it in the lab program, you have to create one small, means one repository. Okay, so I'm going for the repository. I click the repository, then new. Okay, so in this Dr. Margaret Mary, I'm calling as a Python 1 underscore project. So here I'm creating integer project. So just description I'm giving, integer project. Okay, integer project. So I made it as a public. Okay, I'm not doing anything, I don't have any license, just create a repository. I hope students you know how to do this. Okay, after doing this, just Python 1 project. Under that I'm going to create a new file. So in the new file, program 1. Okay, just I'm pasting here what is the program I showed in the PPT. In that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2.8, something it is there. This is something program file. Okay, so it is there, project 1, under the program 1, some file I have. It is there in the main file. So it is there in the main file. I'm creating. Okay, so I don't want to write. If you want extended description, you want to be about this program, you can description, you can do it. So I can do it as a just for the creating the program. I'm going to be committing changes. So I'm making here, this program is integer program using Python, something you can write it. So that just description I'm given, I created commit, set. So now you can see here, this is in the main file. So you can see that you have one program called something Python program you have. So now what is the main agenda? That I need to create a merge conflicts. So now what I'm going to do here in the main program, okay, so I'm in the main program. In the main program, I'm going just creating text one branch. Create. Just I'm creating the creator from the main branch. Okay, so you have a created. So again, what I'm doing, once again, I'm going for the main branch. Okay, I should be there in the main branch. Again, I'm creating a text to branch. Students, try to understand. I created one branch. When you see that main branch is a default because our main program is there. After that, text 1 and text 2 I created. Only I created the branch. You can clone and you can do it, but this is the easiest way how to create a merge conflicts. So what happened? Text 1, I'll open text 1. In the text 1, see, main is default. I'm not doing anything in the main file. I'm created a two branch. In the both the branch, same program it is there. So in that, I'm going for the text 1. I'm going for edit options. In that edit options, what I'm doing, instead of 2.8, I'm making as 10.6. Nothing changes. Instead of that 2.8, I'm giving as a 20.6. Some changes. I made some value changed. Okay, it is in the, you can see that I am in the text 1 file. Commit change. Okay, here I'm writing updated floating value, updated the value. Okay, just I given as a updated the value, changed, done, fine. Now what I'm doing, again I'm going for the text 2, test 2 there. Instead of 2.8, again I have to go for commit, click edit file, then go here. There I given as a 20.8. You can change here 10.5. Commit, updated the value 10.5. Sorry, 10.5. Okay, commit, done. So as you know that you can open the main file. It is a real value 2.8. If you open the text 1, you can see 20.6. If you open the text 2, you changed. Okay, so now what we have to do it? Now what we have to do it? So what we can do it? Keep it any one file. Go to the pull request. Go to the pull request. So when you're going for the pull request, I want to create a new pull request. You can see here, text 1 had reason push 1 minute ago. Text 2 had reason push 1 minute. So just I'm going for the new pull request. So after going, you can see here, I'm taking as a text 1 and here I'm going for the text 2. Next I'm creating, so you can see here the changes what I made. Okay, so nothing, just you see that. See, you have to change, comparison should be there, cannot automatically merge. Okay, okay, so create a pull request. Okay, after creating, means just you click that. After clicking, come to create a pull request. Okay, so you can see here, this branch as a conflict that must resolved. So you have to show to the exam when you when you got the question called merge conflicts. So you have to create and you have to show this conflicts that must be resolved. Okay, so how to resolve? It's because this branch text 1 is different, text 2, which is the one you have to pull request, you have to do it. See, this is very important, students. This one you have to show this branch as conflicts that must be resolved. How to do it? Resolve conflict. So you're going to say that this is last, which is the one recent one we done, this is the one previous one. So this is the one the admin, who is a main person, who is the main branch, means who is created this file, he has to decide which is the one he is supposed to take, which value we have to be merged. So what I'm going to do, I will remove this 20, delete, and this line you have to delete. Okay, clear the line, clear the, you can delete this also. Okay, just see, now you can see you taken as a recent one, which is the one the reason, which is the one you can go for the first one also, first test branch, which is the one they said, you can take it, or else you can take it this, anything is fine. Okay, so after that mark as a result. So you can see that it is, now you can go for the commit merge, you can go to the commit merge, and you can see that check for ability, I mean just you can see that everything sorted, just merge pull request, confirm. Okay, so now you can check it that you merged, that is the merge branch test 1 and test 2, which is the one you taken, that is the one, it is a merge. So this is the called as a merge conflicts. You have to create it and you have to resolve it. Then you can, if you want, you can write the commit. Thank you, students.